some of the new arrivals that we have here. How about the first one? It'll throw you. It's a 1959 Porsche 908 tractor. Red over beige. How appropriate. Is that guards red?
It is, actually.
It is.
I think it is.
Guards red over beige, years-long nut and bolt resto, 822 cc, one-cylinder diesel engine. That's got to be the smallest diesel engine on the planet. 3-speed manual transmission on this one-cylinder diesel, and this thing is better than new.
Yeah, it's pristine.
Yeah, it's man, the amount of, the effort that went into a tractor to restore it has got to be almost as much as a car. I mean, there's a lot of little intricate details and parts and things that have to be painted and done and fixed. And I don't imagine there's a lot of Porsche diesel tractor parts just floating around out there.
I don't know. The tractor world is, the tractor enthusiast world is pretty huge.
Look at Meekham's auctions. Meekham does these tractor auctions.
Do they?
And they're huge. They sold, what was it? It was a steam-powered tractor. I've had this on my list. Listen to this. This was a while back, maybe a year ago or so. Meekham sold a vintage tractor for more than $1 million.
What?
It was a 1913 Case 30-60. It was, when it was new, it was $2,800 more than a 1913 Cadillac.
Wow.
And it's one of 543 and only one of 5 left. So for almost $1.5 million.